That was fucking awesome, dude. I know. Here we go. Coming on, I went to town today to see this fucking PS3 of mine. I want a PS4 and an Xbox One, but I don't have the money to get them. So if you've got the money, I wouldn't recommend getting one yet until they drop down in the price. I got this new camera, it's absolutely brilliant. And yesterday I went out and got an internet dongle from my computer. What you gonna do when I am emceeing like this? If you like to meet the girls and the girls like to meet you, so oopsie whoopsie daisy. So come on then, I've got this. I like playing MW3, so if you can MC better than me, I'd like to fucking see you do it. Come on, challenge me, you can't. Come on, I'll do an MC battle with you, cause you know it's me. Oh, links, it's absolutely brilliant. I've got some links in Excel, and if you start on me because I like girl stuff, then go and get fucked, or I'll murk you. Yes, James, Sheridan White, MC into your fucking 1, 2, I've got this new PC, yes, what a set, people, what a set. If you want me to do more MCing, I will. Thank you and good night.